in PictoBlox. So let's get started. And if you know, we're gonna be making 3 kinds of music, and they're gonna be first, number 1 is saxophone, and number 2 is drum, and number 3 is microphone. And we're gonna be making first is 1 green flag clicked, and second is 1 space key pressed, and third is 1 up arrow key pressed. And we're gonna look what's different between them. So first we need to choose a Sprite instrument. So we're gonna choose a Sprite, and we're gonna click this kind of a little teddy bear and press it 1 time. And we're gonna go to music. In music, you will see all of those cool instruments, and you can choose any instruments that you like, but I already told you I'm gonna use saxophone for number 1. So press the instrument that you like. And maybe let's just shrink it a little bit. So we're gonna change the size into maybe 75. Yeah, pretty good size. And we're gonna be deleting the normal Sprite. Okay, so this is saxophone. So now we're gonna be doing the codes. So first we're gonna go to event, and we're gonna get 1 this Sprite clicked. And how it mean is 1 this Sprite clicked, something gonna be happen. And then we're gonna go to sound, and before we go to sound, we need to choose a sound. We need to choose a sound, and we're gonna choose a sound. So we're gonna go to sounds category, and we already choose your instrument, and you see all of these, and all of these sound are about your instrument sound. And I'll choose maybe C2. Maybe. Okay, so I think it's perfect. I think this sound is pretty perfect. So we're gonna go back to code, and we're gonna get start sound C2 sax. So that means it's the kind of a sound, and it's a saxophone sound, and it's my sound. And maybe let's use a backdrop so it can be more good. So maybe let's just choose blue sky too. Okay, perfect. So we have an instrument in here. Okay, so it's just doing. But I don't want the instrument to be just 1 sound. No, it's boring. So I don't want that to be like that. So we're gonna be making a lot of sound, and we're gonna wait probably for 0.25 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna go to control, and we're gonna wait 1 second block, and put enter start sound C2 sax. Probably not C2 sax, the sound that you choose. So let's change wait 0.25 seconds, so it can be more longer, so the sound can be not boring at all. Then we're gonna go to sound back, and this time we're gonna be changing the sound because we don't want the same sound to be. So I'll choose G sax, and you can choose your sound that you like. And we're gonna go back to sound library, not sound library, sound category, and we're gonna get another block, start sound C2 sax. Really good. So next we're gonna go to control, and we're gonna wait again. So we're gonna wait 1 second block, and put enter start sounds that's your sound that you choose, and do another 0.25 seconds, probably 25. So we're going to go back to sound library so we can choose bird sound, and I think this is the last sound we're going to be choosing. And maybe let's just choose C sax. Hopefully I can find it. Oh, it's already. So we're going to go back to sound category, and we're going to get start sound C2 sax. And like you can change by like that, also like that. What would you choose? And put your sound that you're going to play. Okay, so I think the scraps is ready. So let's just see how it works. But it can be very long, so I don't think so I can play this to end. So let's just make the screen bigger by full screen control. Okay, so let's press the saxophone, probably the instrument that you choose. And you might be wondering why we don't press the green flag, because we don't set one green flag clicked. We set one this Sprite clicked, and Sprite is the instrument that you choose. So let's just press it one time. Wow, very good, very good sound. And you need to play it one time. The sound is very good. So I think saxophone sound is pretty good. So we're going to be doing another sound, and I already told you we're going to be making drum. So we're going to go to choose a Sprite again. And we're going to go to music again, and we're going to get drum. And probably you can get drum or drum kit. Probably you can get the instrument that you like. So I'll get drum kit. Okay. And I'll get size, not that bad. Okay, so this time I already told you we're gonna be making one space key pressed. And how it means is like if space key press, like something gonna be happen, and we don't need to press green flag. So this is how we're looking the difference between them. Okay, so we're gonna go to events, and we're gonna get one space key pressed. And you can also change like down arrow, up arrow, A, B, C, D, like all the things, probably. And then we're going to go to control, and we're going to get repeat 10 times. But we don't want to repeat it 10 times. It can be very boring because it is so long. So we're going to change that into 3 times. Repeat 3. So we're going to go into sound library. Not sound library, sound. And we're going to get start sound low tone. Okay, and put it in the repeat loops. And we're going to be changing that into, because we don't want that sound. You can change any sound that you like, but like maybe I choose my drum bass too. Pretty good. So I like this sound pretty much. So anyways, we're gonna go back to control category, and we're gonna wait 1 second back, but this time we're gonna wait 0.2 seconds. Okay, so 0.2 seconds. Then we're gonna go to sound category back. And we're gonna get start sound low tone back. And you can change any sound that you like. I already told, but I'll change this time. Maybe hi Tom. Oh, not drum bass. 3. Hi Tom. Very good. Okay, so we're gonna wait a little bit of maybe this time 1 second. So we're gonna go to wait 1 second and we're gonna get 0.1 seconds. Okay, so probably the scraps is ready. So we're gonna make the screen bigger again. And we're gonna be pressing space key. So let me press this space key. So let's count. 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow. It is very good sound. Let me make the balloon like a little more louder. Wow. Real drum sound. Heard it? So, and you need to press it like so many times. So let's make the screen a little bit more smaller. So this is the last one, and it's microphone. So let's choose a Sprite and go to music and get microphone. And you can get any instrument that you like. I will get microphone. Microphone. Okay. So we're gonna go to control already. And we're gonna get 1 up arrow key press. I already told. But, oh, not that. I mean even. Sorry, guys. I mean even. Sorry. So, anyways, we're gonna get 1 space key press, but we're gonna change it too. Because we already, so it's gonna be very loud. So, anyways, we're gonna get up arrow to make it 1 up arrow key pressed. Up arrow. Very good. And we're gonna making a sound, so we're gonna go to sound category and get start sound. Like I don't know that sound. I never heard it. So we're gonna be start sound, and we're gonna go to operators. And like we never use operators. Like sometimes in Scratch, but they're pretty safe. So anyways, we're gonna get pick random 1 to 10 and put it in the box. And we're gonna make it 1 to not 10 because I don't like 1 to 10. Maybe 1 to 8. Okay, so we're gonna go to looks category and get next costume. So I'll show next costume. So these are next costume, playing sound, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's get next costume. So I think the scraps is ready again. Ready again. So let's make the screen more bigger and press the up arrow. Wow. What? It's like animal sound, but like first one is like pig sound and second one is like chicken. What does that sound like? Did you know that? If you know that, comment down below because I don't know that sound. What? Oh, it's pig, but I don't know. Okay, so we made 3 music instruments, and the first one is saxophone. Second one is 1 space drum, and the third last one is up arrow key press. And it's very interesting one, and it's also my favorite one. And comment down below what is your favorite one. I don't know that sound, so comment down below. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you make sure you not miss any of my videos. Bye.